Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the oven version of Ghana chips. You need half an onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, some butter or margarine, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, some salt, and plain flour. I'm using gluten-free flour this time. You also need some nutmeg. For a kilo of flour, you need 350 to 400 milliliters of water. So I'm using 200 milliliters to blend the garlic and the onion. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to it, and then 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Blend till it's very smooth. This is a kilo of flour. You can go ahead and use your normal plain flour. I was just trying something new in this video by using the gluten-free flour. So I added 1 teaspoon of nutmeg to it. I'll be mixing everything. You have to mix it before adding the margarine or butter to it. For a kilo of flour, you need 250 grams of margarine or butter. So it's a 1:4 ratio proportion. Mix everything together with your hands. It should look like breadcrumbs at the end. If you want to see the fried version, I've got a video of that already, so I'll put the link in the description box or up there. My secret is this: I add 2 teaspoons of sugar to my chips. It won't make it sweet, but it will give it a different taste. Try this and thank me later. Add your liquid to the flour by sprinkling it. What I notice is that the gluten-free flour hasn't got any elasticity like a normal flour. This is another 200 milliliters of water, but I ended up using only 150 of it, so 350 in total, 350 milliliters in total. The amount of water needed depends on many factors, for example humidity, so you may need more or less depending on your location. The dough is ready to be rolled. You need a rolling pin and a crinkle cutter to get that type of shape I had at the end. So I bought this crinkle cutter from eBay. I'll leave the link in the description box for anyone who is interested in buying one. You all know that for your dough not to stick on the board, you need to spread some flour on it. So I've got my dough. I'm going to roll it up just a little bit into a sort of a rectangular shape. This was how thick it was. With my tool, I'm going to cut the dough. Going to divide it into half and then into another half again. Feel free to cut it into any shapes you want, but just know that you have to make it slightly bigger than the fried ones. Yeah, because this one is going into the oven. I preheated my oven to 170 degrees and then baked for 30 minutes. But you all know that the baking time depends on your oven, so it may be different, slightly different for you. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.